Most customers will check your Google reviews before they ever call your auto repair shop. Use AI powered review software to automatically send personalized review requests after every completed service. The tool can identify the best time to send the message, personalize the wording, and even suggest responses to both positive and negative reviews. For auto repair shops, reputation directly affects revenue because customers want confidence before trusting someone with their vehicle. If your shop completes a brake replacement, battery install, or diagnostic visit, the system can follow up by text or email asking for a review while the experience is still fresh. AI also helps you respond faster and more professionally, which improves your public image. A strong review profile gives your shop an advantage in Google Maps and local search. More five-star reviews can lift conversion rates, increase map visibility, and improve trust. That means more calls, more quote requests, and more booked work from local drivers. Automate review requests after every invoice, and make Google reviews a weekly growth metric.